Hi friends, so this video shows how to fix battery drain issue and improve battery backup. So there are multiple methods. So method 1, so we can use dark mode. Here you can see dark mode, just enable it. That is a method 1. So that way we can save the battery. Method 2, don't put so many apps in the background. So right now here you can see there is 3 apps are in the background. So if you are keeping a lot of apps in the background, that will reduce the battery backup. So avoid keeping apps in the background. So let me go to method 3. Open settings app, then go down and tap on device care, then tap on battery, then tap on battery usage. Here you can see list of apps with its battery usage in percentage. So from this list we can see that the battery usage of Chrome browser is 3.6 percentage and YouTube is 1.4, One UI Home is 1.9. So like this we need to find the app or apps which are using more battery power. Then you have to select the app, in this case Chrome, then enable this option. If it's disabled, enable it. So we need to put app in sleep. So put this app to sleep immediately when it's not in use. So that way we can save the battery. So like this you have to check this list and enable this option, put app to sleep. So that way we can save the battery. Then let me go to power management. Here you can see power mode. Tap on this power mode. You can see three modes: optimized, medium power saving mode and maximum power saving mode. If you select this adaptive power saving, based on your usage it automatically detect which mode we need to use. So we don't need to select the mode. Phone will automatically detect the suitable mode. So if you want to manually select the mode, you can select it. You can tap on this, for example, medium power saving. Here you can see, if you enable medium power saving mode, extend your battery life up to 1 day 14 hours by applying the settings below. So these are the settings. Turn off always on display, limit CPU speed to 70%, brightness minus 10%. You can adjust it. If you want this mode, tap on apply. Let me cancel it. Let me check what is maximum power saving mode. Here you can see, if you enable this option, it extends your battery life up to 5 days 4 hours by applying the settings below. Here you can see the settings. If you want, you can apply this or cancel it. So let me go back. So here you can see app power management. Tap on that. Make sure that you have enabled adaptive battery and put unused app to sleep. These two options we should enable it. Again, you can select for which apps you want to enable sleep. Tap on this option, sleeping apps. Here you can see the list of apps for which we already enabled sleeping. You can add new apps to this list. Here you can see add apps. Tap on that and you can select the app and add it. You can also exclude apps for example, for some app you don't want sleep mode, right? Those apps you can add in this list. Tap here. Here you can see apps that won't be put to sleep. Here also same way you can add apps. So let me go back. So here you can see fast cable charging option. If you enable this option, you will be able to charge your phone very fast. That is this option. So let me go back. I'm going to show you the method 4. So for method 4 you have to enable developer options. Please check my channel. You will be able to find how to enable this option, developer option. Go to developer options. Then if you go down, there you will be able to find background process limit and don't keep activities. So enable this option, don't keep activities. So this, if you enable this, it that means destroy every activities as soon as the user leaves it. Just enable this option. Then process limit, background process limit. So if you change it, it will not make any improvement. I tried it. Even if you change it, when you reboot the phone, it automatically revert it back to standard limit. So there is no use with this option. Okay, so you can select this option, don't keep activities. If you select this option, so when you switch the screen, for example, if you switch this, it will start to reload. You can see it's reloading. So it will not keep the app in the cache. See, it's reloading. So let me disable it and see. So then you will able to find the difference. I am going to disable this. After that, let me go to see. Now it will not reload. See, there is no reload. Okay, so these are the methods. You can try it. Please try it and let me know. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.